Okay, I'm just going to do a quickie follow-up here. I'm on my hat of the day is Sloppy Joe's at Key West. Everybody should go to Key West at least once. Okay, I'm going to bring up my Haas. Oh, I keep on pressing the screencast page. My virtual Haas milling machine right here. The VF3. I don't have a VF3 in school, but maybe someday with a Trunnion or a TR210, TRT, it's whatever. All right, power on, reset, and I'm gonna find a program that I have. Damn it, where's my Fusion? Let me power my Fusion up, and maybe I can do a Mastercam program at the same time. New Mastercam, Fusion, be fair to everybody. While those are powering up, I'll go to my library here. List of programs. So I'm going to turn down the volume of the, I don't know where the heck is it here. This will be all right, this will be better. Okay, save, find programs. I'm going to look in my portable hard drive here, and no, wrong one. This one here. Curriculum, machining, CNC, mill, setup. I had some pre-done programs right here. Op1, right there, Op1, open. There it is, loaded. I'm sure the tools don't align to what's in there, but I'll actually see if this thing works. So this is I call it the widget. This is what we call a setup and run job. So already pre-programmed. This is early on, just learning how to set up and run the machine. Okay, what do we got in here? What do we got in here? Oh yeah, how do I move this to the right? Oh, here we go. All right. Let's see if this actually works. I'm going to turn optional stop. Does optional stop work? Single block supposed to work. Oh, it got to be in memory. Single block, optional stop. All right, we'll go with that. I'm going to go position screen, position, distance to go, or this one. I'll go distance to go. Cycle start. Oop. And hit the optional stop. Worked as planned. What if I can reduce the rapid rate? 5%. No, that didn't slow that down. Okay. See if I can get this a little bit more centered here. Let me if I can rotate it. Rotate. Forgot how to pan with this thing. All right, let's keep on going. Actually, this is going to move to the right anyway. Next tool. Look at that, going to town. Boop. Run all that code. I did this, I think, in Mastercam. Wish I can get close up. Oops. Oh. Nope, up to tool 5. Tool 5. Yep, that's running. Oh, cutter. Alarm. Cutter compensation interference. What's diagnosis? We're on G41D5. Offset page. Offset page. Tool 5. Oh, we have... Oh, this is a written program that is using no cutter compensation. So we need to remove this. I got to take that out. 0 and F1. Memory reset. Where was I? Tool 5. I'm going to search for tool 5. We'll see if this searches. Doesn't search like the real machine. Okay. Oh, maybe I can do it in edit. T5. Cursor down. Nope. Let me just manually page. Let's see. That's tool 4. Tool 4. By the time I get done searching, I probably could have just ran the thing. I'll just run from the beginning. Let's see. 0 return home. Ooh, that thing flies. Okay. the way I could show this down. Material, display, and material reset. Alright, cycle start. Oh, it's gotta be in memory. Memory, reset, cycle start. Okay. Oh, I'm gonna turn optional stop off. Boom, here we go. I am sure I am not even close on the tools of the setup, but still running. We're up to tool 5, so that was the issue. The tool offset needed to be removed, the diameter offset. This is going to make or break the best ones. You got to be able to troubleshoot problems. A lot of code there. Oh, this is the engraving cycle. I remember this. You engrave something at the end. Of course, it's not an engraving tool. Looks like an edge finder. So this will take forever, this part. And we're at 8100 RPM. It's even reading the RPM correctly. Okay, I'm going to hit feed hold. How do we get out of a situation like this? You're in the middle of a program. You got to go into hand jog, and you have to, let's slowly go up in Z. All right, a little bit faster than that. I'm safe and go home. Home. There we go. All right, let's pull in a new program. Reset. Mastercam. File. Open. Titan. CAD Cam. I think that's the one I was copying, the Titan one. I must have a full one in here somewhere. We use this one. Open. It's the same one. It doesn't really matter. Let's spit out a program. Spit out a program. Oh, they're right there. I just need to go find them in the NC file. Let me go back to my simulator. Turn this on. List programs. Receive. Where's my Mastercam directory? Oh boy. I got so many freaking things in here. C. Program files. Users? Nope, I don't think it's there. Oh crap. Program files. Mastercam. Mastercam demo. Mastercam. Oh, I can't find the parts files. All right. Let me try that again. I'm going to look. No, I can't do it that way. Send receive. Widget. Oh no, I was in Mastercam. I should be able to look up the path. Post right here. It's my Mastercam mill. Okay. All right. Send receive. This one. Oh, here it is. C. Program files. Mastercam. I think I'm in the wrong directory. I think I need to be in the public directory. Public documents. Shared Mastercam. Mill. No, that's not it. I forget where they put these things. I gotta put them in this right place all the time. Alright, I'm gonna copy this one. Copy, and I'm gonna put it on my desktop. Paste. Is it there? Let's go back one. Alright, I'm back. Okay, I'm in my Fusion right here. I'm going to post-process. Oops. Kill that. Let me just go up here. G1. Post. No, this is wrong. I want this one. Post 1001. I'm going to put this on the desktop. Save. And then we get a review here. Review. And what the heck is that? All of a sudden, you got buggy. Let me go back to here. Edit my setup. Stock posts. No, I don't see the issues. Post. I got the right file. Post. Override 1001. Yes. And there it is. Good program right there. File. Save as. And I'm going to put it on the desktop. Save. Right there. Okay. I did that one. And not to leave anybody out, was a Mastercam, did that one. Let's load some programs here. Let's see. Receive on the desktop. Choose 1001. All right. There it is. Titan 1M ED 1001. Here, return. Let's just run this thing. All right. Oh, memory. Memory. Reset. Cycle start. Z over travel. What's going on there? It says G53Z0. All right, let's reset that. Reset and go home. Let me do single block. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And tool 1, spindle on, work coordinate, move, yep. Height offset, H1. That looks good. Cool it on. Wrap it down. Down a little bit more. Going to the right. Going up. Cool it off and going home. Oh. I wonder if it doesn't like the G53.
Can you give them like 10, 15 minutes? Okay.
Okay. Maybe. That's it, because I had G91 in the other ones. Okay. Ooh, I just blew away my Immerse to Learn thing. Let me get that going again. Where the heck is it? Here it is, right here. Log in. Get the machine going again. BF3. No, wrong machine. Want the blue one. Yep. Alright, let's bring it over here. Oop, that's a little bit too big. Want to see the machine too. Alright. Power on, reset, power up, restart. Get the program. And we're going to go on the desktop. Going to get the Mastercam version. This one here. And memory, reset, position, distance to go, and optional stop on. Alright, cycle start. Here we go. Oh, this one's working. And this has got G91, so I don't think this machine likes the G53. Alright. Look at that. This is actually doing dynamic milling right now. Unsupported code. G18. Oh, maybe it doesn't do G18s. Okay. You might run into this on a real machine. I mean, not a Haas, but zero turn. Okay. But anyway, I was throwing any program in there. So, it's possible. I suppose we had get through the bugs and had the right setup and the right part. We could actually do sort of real parts. Look at that. You even got the spindle RPM correct. Feed rate 23. Active tool 2. All right. Just want to do a quickie on that and talk to you later.